Hi everyone, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have, guys. Okay, so here's an infinity scarf. We have that style, this one, and there's the red buffalo check. Then we have these muffs. They come in the hot pink, the lighter pink, the gray, and the black. Then we have some of these, what is that, magic gloves? These come 2 in a pack. So those are nice. And here are the Snuggadoos. These are so nice. This is a nice color. So we have the blue, and then this is a coral color. And then these guys, what are these? These are the texting gloves, all the way to the bottom. Then here are the hats. So we have the one with the pom-pom on the top, and the black, the navy, and the gray. And look, this gray one has a black pom-pom. The Snuggadoo. The Snuggadoos are so nice. Then you have this kind, the red. Then you have that style, all the way to the bottom, guys. So here are some more Snuggadoos for the little ones. Look at all the colors they have. Oh, look at this emoji with some headphones. Isn't that cute? And here's the matching hat. Here's the shark. Here's the dinosaur. These are all for the little ones. And here are the little muffs. Okay. All right, now let's see the scarves. So you have this kind. And then you have this kind. I like this one. Okay, here's some more infinity scarves and some more of these. Okay, so we have some of these crew socks, these Christmas socks. They're so adorable. So on the bottom here you have the green mini Christmas tree and the white one. Then you have the red tinsel, the gold, and the silver. And here are the little mini balls to decorate it with, the gold, the red, and these are the tree skirts. That's the top of the tree topper, for the tree. And then you have some of these ornaments. They're so pretty. Okay. So this is all that's left from the buffalo check in red. Okay, so you have some dish mats. Then you have these pot holders that say winter wishes. Then I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Some more dish mats. And look, deck the halls. I like these chargers. Aren't they pretty? And then cookies for Santa. That's so nice. Deck the halls. And then we have some of these collapsibles, the little ones. And then this is what's left of the cups. Well, the tumblers. Deck the halls. It's the most wonderful time of the year. 'Tis the season. Isn't that nice? So here are the socks. It's a snowman. Here's a llama with a penguin. Here's a Christmas tree. Here's a narwhal. Look at the sloth with the Christmas hat. Okay, and then these right here, guys, is the buffalo check hats. So here's some leftover Halloween stuff. Here's some tea lights. I don't think I remember these last year. Okay, so maybe those are new. And if we come along the bottom, let's see. Teach, love, inspire. Okay, this is new. Or this is the last one, this tea holder. And then this, Frosted Wonderland. That's new to my Dollar Tree. Okay, and then you have these tea light holders, the Christmas tree, the truck, and here are the snow globes. And I think these are new. Okay, so we have these tea lights, Christmas trees, and the green and the gold. Then you have 'Tis the Season, Candy Cane Lane, and Mary. Okay, and then I never seen these before, so these are new to our Dollar Tree. So here it is in the blue, the black, and the red. And there are the nutcrackers. Here are the containers. They normally have them every year. Okay, these are good for gifts. And then here are the window tins. So they have the Santa, they have this one, Sweet Christmas Wishes. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Oh, look at the berries and the gold and the ivory. I like that. And here are the red ones. Then you have the round tins. Behind me, we have some tinsel. We have some craft jars. Those come in colors. Here's some extension cords, and here's some pine cones. Look how small that is. Okay, and then we have some Santa wooden boxes, and here is some garland. Here's the leftover of the wooden stickers, and here are some cedar picks in silver. And then they have some of this. I still don't know what that is. Is that a tree skirt? Let's see. Glitter drape, it's called. And then here is some snow spray. That's nice. And here is Merry and Bright. Okay. These are the ornaments. And then these are the craft, the color and craft for the kids. And then they have the ceramic ones. So these are the wooden ones. These are the ceramic ones. Let me just scan those for you. Then we have some of these ornaments. And there are the ribbons. Okay. Then they can also color in their stocking. And here are the bags. The little totes. That's so nice. Along the top you have these baskets. Okay, and then here you have the double balls for $1. The bigger ones, ornaments for $1. And then you have these big felt kits. Here's the snowman. There's the gingerbread. The Christmas tree. And then they have the smaller Christmas tree, the stocking, and the little mini bells. Here's the foam Christmas sheets, the angel. And there are the bows and the pom-poms, chenille stems, the ornament fillers. How nice. And there it is in the gold. So here are some lights, some more pine cones. And these are the ribbons. Let's see if I see anything different. That one says Believe, but I think we had that already. Here's the truck. Okay, they're the wreath hangers. Oh, look at these picks. These are so pretty. Then we have some deco mesh along the top, and then here's some florals. Look how pretty this is. Guys, I don't know if you can hear that sound. It's the fire department. So please excuse the sound. Okay guys, and then here's some picks, here's some florals. I'm absolutely loving it, guys. And here's some cotton stems. Isn't that beautiful? Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see their Christmas decor, and I'll see you in the next video.